Hello, my name is Rowan. I am an indie game developer and welcome to Mastering the Pixel Art. In this course, you will learn all the basics of pixel art, and by the end of it, you will be able to create a scene which looks like taken from a game with tile-based background and decorative elements. The course is mainly designed for beginners, and during it I will show you some tricks that majority of pixel artists use, and it will make your learning journey easier. Course has lots of practical material, so you won't watch only theoretical stuff, but also complete some prepared challenges and make your own pixel art elements using same principles. We will start by learning how to shade and imitate different objects and types of materials. Then I will explain color theory and how to use colors. And then we will create some simple objects that will help you to better understand the principles of pixel art. And after that, we're going to learn how to create tiles. And then we'll make some decorative elements for our scene. As a primary tool, I'm gonna use Aseprite, but if you use to Photoshop or Pixel Edit or any other pixel art program, you can use them. Principle is the same. If you want to drop the course during first 30 days, keep in mind that I offer 100% no questions asked money back guarantee. So, if you're a game developer and want to make pixel art for your game, or if you want to work as a pixel artist, you should join me in this adventure. Enroll now and I will see you in the course.